Hi, I'm Dave. Welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to build this magnetic racing Carrera board that they sent me. It's 3D. The Carrera sticks out in front of the board, so there's a back face and, you know, a little bit of projection. So, usual things. Just got to take this out of here. It's a very simple kit. It just comes in one sheet. We'll need a file just to get all the nibs off. Might need a knife, not sure. We'll definitely need a cup of coffee in a magnetic racing mug, available from their website. So, I'll get on with this. I'll take this out of here, file it all out, and then what I'm going to do is just can of white rattle can primer, and then because various bits of it are either white or red, I'll go over the top with those. It is a very simple build. We might try and add a little bit more of an enhancement to it once we get towards the end. So here I am back with all of these pieces painted up. Of note, I painted this red, but this side I've put a clear coat over the top of it just to make it a bit shinier. Now I could just put this together. It's fairly straightforward. These bits go in here. You can decide what height you want it. And then once you've got two of those in, you can put these pieces across, put the feet on, and then you stick the board on the front. And then additionally, with these 3D boards, here are these little, look, that shape, and they go in there, there and there, and there, there and there. And that makes that stand off, oh, that way up, stand off from the board slightly. This one goes over the top of there. Now I've done this red with a white outline because I wanted to try something. I should probably have done it the other way around. But this is how I wanted to try and get this enhancement to work. So the plan here now, and this may work, it may not, is to take this piece and some nice shiny silver foil and stick it on the back of there, so it's shiny behind there. I'm going to drill some holes in here and pop some LEDs through. Now the theory is the light will shine through the back of there, off this shiny surface, and then sort of back onto the red and make it glow behind the Carrera. I don't know if this works. It might look terrible, but I'm going to have a go. Okay, so here we are, all glued together, and I've put the LEDs in and super glued them into place. Very simple bit of just jerry-rigged wiring at the moment, really. All the blacks to the black on here, all the reds just all joined together to the red on here. 9-volt Duracell battery, on-off switch, and I guess I'll just stand it like that. Maybe turn the lights off. And we'll see if it works, shall we? Well, I'm pretty impressed with that. That's that kind of sunburst effect backlit that I was really looking for. And it's funny, isn't it? You just have a mad idea and get lucky. Excellent. I shall rig this up properly when I've worked out where I'm going to put it on my track. I've also got the Revo slot one that Magnetic Racing sent me as a Christmas present, so might do something similar with that. So let's just end this video on a nice moody night shot. As always, thanks for watching one of my videos. If you liked it, you will find a button specifically for that. Please subscribe to the channel, it really does help. And if you hit the bell, you'll get a notification the next time I post a video. And check out this slot car channel.